Fullerton, California. Looks like a nice neighborhood, so this family decided to leave their Lexus GS running. What a perfect opportunity for two creeps with nothing better to do. They notice the car is running unattended. They double back. One of them goes for it. The other stays lookout. The thieves get away with the Lexus. The family comes out and soon realizes the mistake they made. This is exactly why you should never leave your car running unattended. Always be cautious.
Cam Masker turns my camera into a hidden camera. All you gotta do is slide your camera into the Cam Masker and you're ready to go. Cam Masker perfectly hides your Ring or Wyze cameras without interfering with its functions. And now available for Blink Mini.